Welcome, car enthusiasts, to a deep dive into a pivotal era for American muscle cars, the transition from 1967 to 1968. These 2 years represent a fascinating and rapid evolution in automotive design and engineering, setting the stage for some of the most iconic vehicles in history. The years 1967 and 1968 represent a significant shift in design, performance, and marketing, marking a true evolution in automotive history. While 1967 saw refinement and the introduction of new contenders like the Chevrolet Camaro and Pontiac Firebird, 1968 brought revolutionary redesigns and the birth of the budget brawler concept, fundamentally changing the landscape of American performance vehicles. While 1967 saw refinement and the introduction of new contenders, 1968 brought revolutionary redesigns and the birth of the budget brawler. This period was characterized by a dramatic move away from previous styling cues, embracing more aggressive and aerodynamic forms that would define the muscle car aesthetic for years to come. A primary focus of this transformation was General Motors, which completely redesigned its intermediate A-body platform for 1968. This was a monumental undertaking, affecting some of GM's most popular and powerful models, and it signaled a new direction for the entire industry. This redesign introduced new, more rounded, fastback-style bodies, a dramatic departure from the boxier 1967 counterparts. The visual difference was striking, giving these cars a much more modern and aggressive stance that resonated deeply with the public and set new trends in automotive styling. The 1968 Pontiac GTO, Oldsmobile 442, Buick GS, and Chevrolet Chevelle all received this fresh, modern aesthetic. Each model, while sharing the underlying A-body platform, maintained its unique brand identity, showcasing how a common foundation could lead to diverse and compelling designs. These changes were not just cosmetic, they redefined the visual language of American performance cars. The new designs were often more aerodynamic, hinting at the increased performance capabilities that were also being developed under the hood, creating a cohesive package of style and power. Beyond GM, 2 other iconic redesigns emerged in 1968, becoming some of the most famous in automotive history. These vehicles pushed the boundaries of what was considered possible in terms of styling and performance, leaving an indelible mark on car culture. The 1968 Dodge Charger, for instance, debuted its legendary Coke bottle body, hidden headlights, and distinctive flying buttress roofline. This bold and aggressive styling immediately captured attention, making the Charger an instant classic and a cinematic icon. This was a radical departure from the more conventional 1967 fastback, instantly making the 68 Charger a design icon. Its unique silhouette and aggressive features set it apart from everything else on the road, establishing a new benchmark for muscle car aesthetics. Another groundbreaking introduction was the 1968 Chevrolet Corvette, known as the C3, inspired by the Mako Shark II concept car. This new generation of Corvette brought a futuristic and aggressive look, signaling a bold new direction for America's sports car. This all-new body was a dramatic shift from the sleek, yet different, C2 Stingray of 1967, setting a new standard for sports car aesthetics. The C3's voluptuous curves and sharp edges were a stark contrast to its predecessor, captivating enthusiasts and critics alike. Beyond design, 1968 also saw the rise of a new market segment, the budget brawler, pioneered by Chrysler. This innovative approach aimed to make high-performance vehicles accessible to a broader audience, democratizing the muscle car experience. This philosophy focused on delivering maximum engine and performance for a lower price, stripping away unnecessary trim and luxury. It was a no-frills approach that prioritized raw power and speed, appealing to those who valued substance over superficiality. The Plymouth Roadrunner and Dodge Super Bee were prime examples, offering raw power without the premium price tag. These cars quickly gained a reputation for their incredible performance and affordability, becoming legends in their own right. These cars quickly became favorites for those who valued horsepower over creature comforts, democratizing muscle car ownership. They proved that you didn't need to spend a fortune to experience exhilarating performance, making muscle cars more attainable for the average enthusiast. The engine wars were still raging fiercely in 1968, with manufacturers constantly pushing the boundaries of power. This relentless pursuit of horsepower led to some of the most legendary engines in automotive history, as companies vied for dominance on the street and the strip. Ford made a significant move by introducing its legendary 428 Cobra Jet engine in mid-1968. This powerhouse engine was a game-changer, immediately establishing Ford as a serious contender in the high-performance arena and intensifying the competition. This powerful engine was a direct answer to the formidable competition from GM and Mopar, escalating the horsepower race. The 428 Cobra Jet was designed to dominate, and it quickly proved its mettle against the best that its rivals had to offer. The 428 Cobra Jet quickly established itself as a dominant force, cementing Ford's place in the muscle car hierarchy. Its impressive performance figures and robust design made it a favorite among drag racers and street enthusiasts alike, solidifying its legendary status. In summary, 1968 was truly a landmark year for American muscle cars, bringing forth some of the most iconic and beautiful designs. It was a year of bold innovation and daring creativity, forever changing the landscape of automotive design and performance. It expanded the market with affordable performance models and pushed the boundaries of engine technology. The combination of stunning new designs, accessible performance, and relentless engine development made 1968 an unforgettable year for muscle car enthusiasts. From revolutionary styling to raw horsepower, 1968 stands out as a peak year, leaving an indelible mark on automotive history. The cars introduced during this period continue to be celebrated and cherished by collectors and enthusiasts worldwide, a testament to their enduring appeal. Thank you for joining us on this journey through a golden age of American automotive power and design. We hope you've enjoyed this detailed look at the incredible transformation that occurred between 1967 and 1968, a period that truly defined the muscle car era.